In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your YouTube account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to youtube.com. Once you're over there, click on this profile icon given at the top right. Ensure the correct channel is selected. If not, you can switch account. Now navigate to the option settings. Here you're going to find this section of your YouTube channel. Under that, you're going to find the option View Advanced Settings. Click on that. Now you will find the option of Delete Channel. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Google account's password. Type in that, and with that, you'll be directed to this page. You can either hide your channel or you can permanently delete your channel. Click on the option Permanently Delete My Content. Check in for these options. Review this as all of these details will be deleted permanently. Now click on the option Delete My Content and confirm it. And just with that, your YouTube account will be deleted. And that's it. This way you are able to delete your YouTube account permanently. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.